Imagine this, you finally decide to be smart with your money. Every month you put a little into your savings account, maybe $100, maybe $200. It feels great. You're being responsible. You're building good habits. You're doing what everyone says you should do. Then one day you open your banking app, you have $10,000 saved. Awesome, right? But then you notice something. After an entire year, your bank only paid you around $50 in interest. That's when you start asking yourself, asterisk, is my money working hard enough? Meanwhile, you keep hearing people talk about investing, index funds, stocks, and compound growth. Now you're confused. Should you keep saving or should you start investing? If you've ever wondered that, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you the easiest step-by-step way to move from saving money to investing it without feeling scared or taking unnecessary risks. Let's get started. Why saving alone isn't enough. First, let's clear something up. Saving money is important, but saving alone usually won't make you rich. Think about it like this: saving protects your money, investing grows your money. Those are two completely different jobs. Here's a simple example: that if you keep $10,000 in a savings account that earns 1% interest, after 1 year, you'll have about $10, $100. Not bad. And now imagine investing that same $10,000 in the stock market. The US stock market has returned around 10% per year on average over many years. After 1 year, you could have around $11,000. That's already a big difference. But here's where things get really exciting. The secret is time. 1 year isn't what changes your life. Time is. Let's look 20 years into the future. If your money stays in savings earning 1%, it grows to around $12,200. If it's invested and earns about 10% a year, it could grow to almost $67,000. Same starting money, completely different ending. That's the power of compound growth. Your money starts making money, then that new money starts making even more money, and over time, the growth gets bigger and bigger. So why don't more people invest? The answer isn't math. It's fear. Saving feels safe. Your money just sits there, the number doesn't change much, but investing is different. Some days your account goes up, other days it goes down. That scares a lot of people. Many people think, what if I lose everything? That's a fair question. The good news is, you don't have to invest all your money at once. There's a smarter way. Let's go through it step by step. Step 1. Build an emergency fund before you invest even $1. Save enough money to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Keep this money in your savings account. Don't invest it. This money is only for emergencies, things like losing your job, medical bills, car repairs, unexpected expenses. Here's why this matters. When emergencies happen, you won't have to sell your investments at a bad time. Your emergency fund protects your investments. Step 2. Give your money 2 jobs. Think of your money as 2 separate buckets. Bucket number 1, safety money. This is your emergency savings. Its job is to keep you safe. Bucket number 2, growth money. This is the money you invest. Its job is to grow over time. Once you separate these 2 buckets, investing becomes much less stressful. Step 3. Start small. Money beginners think they need thousands of dollars. That's simply not true. You can start with as little as $50 or $100. The amount isn't what matters. The habit is, because investing a small amount every month is much better than waiting years for the perfect time. The perfect time rarely comes. Step 4. Keep it simple. Here's a mistake many beginners make. They jump into things like day trading, options, crypto, trying to get rich fast. Most people don't need any of that. Instead, start with something simple. Index funds. An index fund lets you own tiny pieces of hundreds of companies all at once. Instead of trying to guess which company will win, you invest in the whole market. It's simple. It's diversified, and over the long run it has worked very well for many investors. Even famous investor Warren Buffett recommends low-cost index funds for most people. Step 5. Invest consistently. This may sound boring, but boring often wins. Let's say you invest $300 every month. If your investments grow around 8% a year, after 25 years, you could have about $285,000. But here's the amazing part: you only invested about $90,000 yourself. The other $195,000 came from your money growing over time. That's compound growth doing the heavy lifting. Don't panic when the market falls. Sooner or later, the market will go down. It always does. But that's normal. Every market crash in history has eventually been followed by a recovery. When prices drop, your monthly investment actually buys more shares for the same amount of money. That's why experienced investors don't panic. They stay invested because they're thinking about the next 20 or 30 years, not the next 20 or 30 days. Think about it like this: saving money is like keeping seeds in a jar. They're safe, but they never grow. Investing is like planting those seeds in the ground. At first, nothing seems to happen, but with time, water, and patience, those tiny seeds grow into something much bigger. Final thoughts. Let's quickly review. First, build an emergency fund. Second, separate your money into safety money and growth money. Third, start investing with small amounts. Fourth, choose simple investments like index funds. And finally, stay consistent and give your money time to grow. Remember this: saving gives you security, investing gives you growth. When you use both together, you're giving yourself the best chance to build real wealth. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple money tips every week. Now I have a question for you. Are you still saving your money, or have you already started investing? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.